Hello, welcome to SnapMath, Jacqueline. Thank you for sending in your algebra question tonight. So we have an ellipse here that we're trying to find. We're going to graph it, identify the vertices, the co-vertices, the foci, and of the ellipse. So here we have the equation, and I've written down the equation for an ellipse, the standard equation, where HK is going to be the center. So our center for this ellipse is actually going to be 0, 0. And that's going to be important finding the vertices and the foci. So the first thing we want to find is A. What does A equal? A squared equals 16 if we plug that in. So A is going to equal 4. And then B squared equals 4. So B equals 2. We're going to use that to find our vertices or co-vertices. So you're going to add and subtract A from the x term of the center. So it's going to be 4, 0, and then negative 4, 0. And now we're going to add and subtract B from the y because the B is under y in this case. So it's going to be 0, 2, and 0, negative 2. And then the foci are going to be C away, and that's going to be on the x because the A is under the x in this case, and that means that this is going to be a horizontally facing ellipse. So the foci is going to be C away. So we're going to use this equation to find C. So C squared equals 16 minus 4. So C squared equals 12. Take the square root of both sides. So C equals 2 root 3. So now the foci is going to be 2 root 3, 0, as well as negative 2 root 3, 0. So those are the things that we need to find right here, and we're going to start to graph it over here. So 4, 0, negative 4, 0, then 2, oh, I'm sorry, that was 5. There's 4. It's not part of it. And then 2, and then negative 2, 0, negative 2. And then 2 root 3 is actually going to be about right here. There's our foci. Say foci, and then foci. 1 and 2. And then our ellipse is going to look like this. All right, Jacqueline, thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.